So think about this. Is it right that taxpayers are subject to capital gain taxation? That's a crazy question. There's always been taxation of capital gains since the tax code was written back 100 years ago. But maybe it's time to change. Let me say why. Capital gains is the difference between what you bought it for and what you sold it for. And if it's been far enough time back when you bought something, going back just a couple years, then one of the problems we're looking here is that the currency has been devalued from then till now, and value of the asset that you're selling is higher in part because of a gain, but in a larger part perhaps because the currency has been devalued. Let me give you a real example. I know a person who had a car he bought in 2020 for 17,500. 2 years later, that car was sold back to the dealer, not an aggressive price or anything special, but more mileage, a little more wear and tear, but it sold at a higher price for 18,100. That's $600 gain. The car itself did not go up in value. No, in fact, it went down. But the currency was devalued, so you had to pay more for the same asset. That means that instead of that person enjoying maybe a $1,000 or $2,000 loss that he could have reduced his taxes on, instead he has to pay taxes on the $600 gain. There was no gain. It's just devaluation. You're being taxed on what the government has stolen from you. Is that right? Do you think that that should be continued? How should we fix that problem? Or should we get rid of capital gain taxation altogether? Let me know what you think.